Breaking news. We have fruit. Repeat. We have fruit. Welcome to the orchard, where chaos meets gardening. I present to you the first fruity pioneers of this season, honeyberries. Tiny, determined. Think blueberries, but trained in sub-zero temps. Some are early bloomers, some are late to the party, but all of them are one step away from becoming your new favorite fruit. And yes, before you ask, they taste like blueberries that went abroad, read poetry, and discovered depth. A little tangy, a little sweet, a lot mysterious. They're one of the earliest fruits of the season to ripen. Other fruits are just stretching. Honeyberries already swam a marathon and posted the pics. 2 months ago, I planted these bushes. At the time, they looked like sad bundles of sticks, basically twigs, with ambition. But look at them now, green and thriving. No fruit yet, but the glow-up is real. I'm proud. So here they are. Small, blue, a little suggestively shaped. First fruit of the year, baby. And it's only the beginning. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends blueberries have competition.